I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.
I am starting a vlog just so you guys could get to know me. Oh no! I am nursing my son right now. TMI. You want to go get a haircut? Oh. Nothing but daily vlogs. This is a sign of being happily married. That's because you can't.
We have to wait now? Are you kidding me?
No one wants to go out. I feel so... How do you feel about leaving us? So we are running out of room. The person who sits on this chair probably needs 6 drinks. I'm stuck. I'm like channeling my inner Beyonce. So he's asleep. A little bit better. I'm so... Just kidding! And then I plan on putting some jeans on. Are you mad? I am never going to stop working as hard as I was working when I had 50 subscribers. Good morning. You happy now? That being said, you're such a brat. I always do. Best husband ever. Probably gonna knock me out. Enrique's going crazy. I just want to let you guys know for the record.
No, he's eating his hair. Oh, he is eating.
Where are you going?
We're just parked.
I love your hair. Oh my god, I've been waiting.
Me and Skylar are plus size women. And everybody wonders, where does Unique get this diva personality from? I didn't realize you had it, Mom.
Butthole.
Erika, you can't just call people butthole. We're not gonna help you up. Like, why am I getting this now?
On me and
Well, that's what you get when you're that beautiful.
That's how bad I feel.
20. What am I gonna do with the 20?
I am extremely grumpy today. I feel like one day I'm gonna look back and be like, remember when I had my little office? Colleen, I'm a mom and I love you. I say a little prayer for you. This is happening, you guys.
Why?
That's really funny. I totally forgot that these are the leggings that I wore when I climbed the fence.
Like to behead you. Now you're not biting flowers anymore.
I am editing this morning.
First just bite me so hard.
That was a little awkward, you guys. First, Maverick merch.
Oh, really?
How many cheeses can one shelf hold? Busy?
Just be like,
When the rain is blowing in your face.
My dad and my mom, I'm sorry.
Does Logan Paul teach you about makeup?
He painted his toenails yesterday.
Roxy, it's not all about you. I'm like, move.
I don't like your black hair.
Mike, don't. Mike!
Favorite food? Everything I love to eat. Since when don't you look ugly in the little circle? Don't act like you're all sick and then I look like a bad mom on camera. I'm starting to get upset. Really, Alyssa, you just blew glitter all over my camera? Alyssa's dyeing my hair right now. Some days are not always fun for me. I'll make you a patch. Well, maybe if you would come and hold the camera for me.
I don't like people like that.
Do I look so stupid? Nori,
Boochies.
How natural do they look? Because I need vlog content. Enrique's over here telling me that we make secret sopita. We have to make a difference. Might be the name of my video. That's why I keep saying it. This is literally the best thing I ever ate. Can you at least put your Logan Paul merch on so they don't kidnap you in my Casey Neistat? So I'm wearing Zanja's scarf. Do you know what people are gonna do to me?
What?
When they see you point a gun to my head? Look at all my family is a bunch of fools. We're all gonna say good morning right here. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Ugh. Look what you did to my coffee, Erika.
Be sneaky.
Why do you want to be sneaky in the dark, Erika? I should take the wig off. Only like 3 people are gonna think that's cute and the rest are gonna be disgusted with both of us. This is the baby tooth that never fell off. Erika, stop looking like a psychopath. I hope they get down.
You need to watch the way you're talking to me.
Can't get out.
Ari doesn't like this show.
That's a tender spot on my body. How could I be over exaggerating? I think I need 4 of these. Let me see. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh my god, there's a trash can here. I didn't realize I was gonna make such smoke. I'm like the world's laziest mom, huh?
Yeah. Mom, who's Leatherface?
You. That's just how I be like to roll.
Breathe in.
What happened?
You fucking bitch.
Look at Skylar with her broken umbrella. Look at that, you guys. It's so beautiful. We doing keto vegetarian, baby. Hurry! I feel like I've hit rock bottom of having no shame. We took so long at Chipotle on our phone. Can you go in there extra dramatic so they see us fast? He has Pikachu socks, Pikachu pajamas, and a Pikachu mommy. I wish I knew how. Not even no sunglasses on. Get your freaking feet off my couch. I want to do like a whole video. Those are like, they get a lot of views. Look how small he is. He's so cute. He's going to a party. You're just here for the food, aren't you? It fits everyone's head except mine. Hopefully it comes out. Stay there for a thumbnail.
I gotta testify.
A little pet muffin.
Taco Bell dinner. And it's loose on me, baby! No, you're not gonna wear this. This is how you visit your family during Christmas. I'm sorry, she's a freaking teenager.
Do you guys see me carrying this?
Do you guys see how pigmented the chili powder is?
You too.
I was squeezing you too? Should I just come and spray myself every day? Since I can't afford it. I was just gonna leave the house wearing a onesie. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
Remember your Snickers when he was little and you broke his tail?
I'm like, oh my god, Enrique, like, who the hell do you think you are? Enrique, taste it.
I love you.
But it gets really dusty, like pretty fast, so I have to detail it. It's very brassy still on the roots. Oh shit. We like the cause. Because for me, I want to wake up and edit. Stick around, see if you like me, if you vibe with me, subscribe. I swear, Enrique, if I have to... And today I feel great!
It's a beautiful morning.
I could literally die tonight. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Thank you, I'll be here all week. I don't know if I like those blue men all around my trackpad. I just want to go outside today. Are they supposed to clean these things nightly? The chicken is looking scrumptious. Look at our new addition to the family. Yeah. Don't be so hard on yourself. Oh, everybody, this is Enrique. I tried to spell unique. Ew, I hate when she eats. Oh my goodness, that's the ones. Why can't you? You're right there. Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's 37 degrees right now.
It is?
And this is what she's wearing to the dentist.
I just came back from dent.
Oh, they look so cool. Cute. I have not got a pedicure for 10 years. Come on. Barbecue sauce is the way to go. Can you believe that my son is 5? Why are you hitting me? We're at the lowest reviewed swap meet. This is the worst reviewed grocery store. The lowest rated theater in my city. It's the lowest rated buffet in my area. I am going to the lowest rated hair salon in my city. They're gonna kick me out forever. I wore my grandma's clothes for a week. These super long nails for 24 hours. Hi. Da-da-da-da-da. Inspect the unique. Da-da-da-da. Subscribe. I'm gonna be the first time ever plus size skater. Oh my god, why is this person walking all by themselves?
Make a bunch of different faces so you could choose.
Ew, everyone's gonna vote me.
Welcome back to my vlog.
Mom, this is the stupidest thing.
How's that man? Maybe I could drink out of his water hose. Whoa. I'm like Edward Scissorhands.
No, you're not.
If you guys are ever like chilling with me, you guys have to be prepared that we're gonna sit in the car for 15 minutes at every stop. Alyssa, stop!
What?
I just wish we had more in common.
Oh my gosh, Mom, right now you look so skinny.
Skyla has a shiner. I came home and I called right back in bed. Letting the person in front of me decide what I eat for 24 hours. And letting the person in front of me decide what I'm going to be drinking from Starbucks.
You have to schedule appointments.
But there is no wire.
And that's just how life
My mom's
is.
too lazy to just call.
I just freaking miss her. I'd also like to thank Enrique for never using a trash can or a plate. Now take me to the aisles where the cans are. This is so good. Let me fix my armpit fat before we start the video. I'm kind of in the mood for junk food, let's just be honest. This is my tripod, people. You guys are probably like, oh my god, another Starbucks video. My disgusting, dirty, filthy room that I have not cleaned. See, like I would never post that. Don't you dare break a Jesus. This is at Walmart, go check it out. A lot of that has to do with you guys. A lot of that has to do with reading your guys' comments, the support I get from you guys. Just, You guys mean so much to me, and I don't even personally know you guys. For all I know, you could be big hairy men scratching your balls, pretending to be, you know, somebody that you're not. And I don't care, because it's about the connection, and I just want to say thank you, because that has to do so much because of you guys. Like, I've come so far this year when it comes to healing, and again, it's because of you guys, and I just want to say thank you.
I pull her with a lemon. Not 'cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes